Hast du etwas Zeit für mich? Singe ich ein Lied für dich von 99 Luftballons.
Nina, couldn't say it better myself. Balloons, baby, balloons! Welcome to another edition of JTJU, where we all try to be just a little better at the game of Clash of Clans. I've got another Hero and Goat screencast up for you, this time from our war on 718 versus biRds Nest. Sadly, they flew all over us, 107 to 103, but let's take a look at our best and worst attack and see if we can learn something. So our hero's first good move is a lightning attack on the backside air defense. Always good when you've got those buried air defenses that are maxed. You don't want to deal with 3 for sure. Then he comes in from the lower side of the air defenses, focusing in on just 1. And look at that nice placement of balloons right after the dragons go in, so they fly in right at the same moment there and actually clear and then take out that front air defense. Now, when the other air defense engages, the clan castle Loons come in from the other side flanking. Because if they hadn't been there, watch this now, the dragons would have sat there smoking away while they got shot to death. But not so. The CC Loons took care of business. And it's really those 3 keys: lightning, Loons behind the dragons for the frontal assault, and then flanking with the clan castle Loons from the backside, that this hero did so well in his attack. So many of our clashers tend to try to do like heal and rage based dragon attacks. All they think more dragons is better dragons. Not so. It's units and combination that matters. But who's our hero? Runius. Good job and great attack. So let's move on with Nina to something less pretty. Let's go take a look at the goat. So as the goat opens, you see that they're going to lay out some wizards, which is questionable. 1, because they're in range of the defenses. And 2, as you'll see, it's actually a dragon attack. So one must ask oneself, why are you laying out ground troops in an air attack? Not typically a good idea. Point 2, spells. Now usually I would say use lightning like I said before, but if you have to use rage, at least cast it forward so that the dragons fly into the circle, having the most time in it. Boy. In the end it won't matter because we didn't even get 2 of the 3 air defenses down, so the game is over for the goat. Swims. Good try, Swims, I guess. Don't feel alone. Most of the people in our clan had the same problem of not using the dragons properly against buried air, leading to this defeat. So that'll do it for this episode of Hero and Goat. As always, good luck in your wars and clash on. And also, remember, dragons plus balloons is always a good thing. If you can't remember, just think of Nina. Take us out!
99 Jahre Krieg ließen keinen Platz für Sieger. Kriegsminister gibt's nicht mehr und auch keine Düsenflieger. Heute zieh ich meine Runden, seh die Welt in Trümmern liegen, hab 'n Luftballon gefunden. Denk an dich und lass ihn